interval. So, halimbawa, 10 to, let's say, 10 to 15. So, ito yung mga age mo. 16 to 20, and let's say 21 to 25. So, 21 to 25. So, kapag ganito, tapos ang hinihingi nila ay yung kanyang tinatawag na mean age. So, gagawin mo lang, i-add mo itong 15, so 10 plus 15, and then divide it by 2, divided by 2, 16 plus 20, i-add mo yan, divide mo by 2, same here, 21 plus 25, and then divide it by 2. Okay, so eto 10 plus 15 divided by 2, so that's equivalent to 12.5. Ito naman, 16 plus 20 divided by 2, so that is 18. And 21 plus 25 divided by 2, so that is 23. So next, kapag meron na siyang frequency, so frequency, halimbawa ang frequency nito ay 2, ang frequency nito ay 3, tapos ito naman ay 1. So, ito yung kanyang frequency. So, multiply mo lang dun sa frequency nila. Okay? So, 12.5 times 2 dun sa number of frequency or dun sa frequency. So, let's say 12.5 times 3. So, that is 37.5. Okay? Times, I'm sorry, that is times 2 kako sana. Times 3 yung ginawa natin. So, 12. So, 12.5 times 2, 25. So, ito ay 25. So, 18 multiplied by, so, multiply by 3. So, 18 times 3. So, that is 54. And then 23, so 23 times 1, and that is equivalent to 23. Okay, so next na gagawin mo, kukunin mo yung sum ng tatlong yan, 25 plus 54 and plus 23. So that is 102, divide mo lang so kunin mo natin yung sum niya, 102. So that's 25 plus 54 plus 23. So divided by the total number of respondents mo. So we have, let's say we have here 6, 3, 2 plus 3 plus 1. So that is equivalent to 6. So 102 divided by 6, so 17. So your mean age, that is equivalent to 17. So, ganoon lang kung paano mag-compute ng mean age kapag by group siya o meron siyang interval. Okay, so ganoon lang kadali. Hope it helps.